welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So if you've been a part of my channel for a long time, you know that I really love soup and I also love lasagna. So why not make some lasagna soup? It's hearty and it's really delicious. So if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I do have another channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time, so if you can head on over there, subscribe, support, I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I've been wanting to make this ultimate comfort food, lasagna soup, for a long time. It's everything you love about lasagna, but it's made so much easier. And as usual, I'm going to prep all the ingredients, and I'm going to take one medium onion and just chop it up really good. And I know it seems like a lot of onions, but don't worry, you really need it to really build the flavor in the soup. So I'm going to set this to the side, and of course, you know me, I always have to have some garlic in all of my recipes, and I took 3 garlic cloves and I'm just going to chop it up really good. And that's pretty much it. Not a lot of chopping up of vegetables this week. So let's head over to the stove and start making some soup. So first off, I'm going to warm up a tablespoon of avocado oil, and I'm just going to go ahead and add my onions and begin sauteing them for about 5 minutes until they're softened. And now I'm going to add the chopped garlic in with the onions, and I'm going to let this saute for about a minute. Now I'm going to take a pound of ground beef, and I'm just going to add it to the pot along with the onions and the garlic, and just take a spoon and begin breaking it up. And now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and this is to intensify the tomato taste in the soup. And now you're just going to continue to brown up the meat for about 6 to 8 minutes or until it's fully cooked. Now I'm adding a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes to the pot, along with 32 ounces of chicken broth, and this is what's really going to give us that hearty soup base. It's time to season with 2 teaspoons of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes for a little heat, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and just take a spoon and give everything a good mix. And give it a quick taste test just to make sure that it's seasoned really well. And now you just want to let it simmer for about 30 minutes, making sure all those flavors come together. Now while that's cooking, I'm going to get started on the lasagna noodles, and I'm going to go ahead and salt the boiling water. Now you can buy those noodles where you can add it directly to the sauce or cook them separately like I'm doing, and I'm just going to break up about 10 to 12 lasagna noodles, and I'm just going to let this boil until it's done. So after 30 minutes, I'm ready to stir in 1/4 cup of heavy cream and a cup of mozzarella cheese into the soup, and I'm just going to stir it in until the cheese is completely melted. And again, this is a good time to give your soup a taste test just to make sure that everything is perfect. So by this time, the soup is coming together really good and is tasting really delicious. And I'm going to make a separate cheese topping to go on top of this soup. So in a separate bowl, I'm going to grate 3/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, along with a cup of mozzarella cheese and 1.5 cups of ricotta cheese. And just take a spoon and stir all those cheeses together. And you're going to season it up with some garlic powder, some sea salt, and some black pepper. And then again, mix everything together. And just set it to the side until the soup is completely done. Now back to the soup. I'm going to add 3 handfuls of some fresh spinach, stir it in until it's completely wilted. And my noodles are already done cooking. I've already rinsed them, and I'm ready to add them into the soup. And stir it around and make sure that they're fully submerged into the soup, picking up all those delicious flavors. And we're all done. The noodles are nice and tender and the soup is seasoned perfectly. Like I said in the beginning, I love soup and I also love lasagna, and this is the perfect way to combine two dishes in one. Now don't forget to add the cheese mixture on top, and I'm just going to add a few fresh basil leaves. And just like that, a lasagna soup that's cozy, hearty, and absolutely delicious. You absolutely have to try it. And we're all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody that you know, especially if they love lasagna and soup. And don't forget to follow me on my other channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time. And I would love to get some great feedback, so don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think. You guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.